Welcome to Hearty Home Cooking. Today we're going to be making chocolate fridge cake. For this you will need 225 grams of leftover biscuits, 150 grams of soft cream cheese, 120 grams of butter, 62 grams of icing sugar, and 21 grams of cocoa powder. First, grab yourself a large mixing bowl. Add your butter, soft cheese, and icing sugar. Cream all your ingredients together. Now, add your cocoa powder. Mix this in well. Crush your biscuits and add to your chocolate mixture. Then give it a good stir. Line yourself a loaf tin with greaseproof paper. Now, pour in your cake mixture. Press it down well. Refrigerate for 3 to 4 hours, then serve and enjoy.